Count to 5? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Here's a real working rig. And I have 2 fire trucks. I have 5 fire trucks. Here's my army, fire truck bus, police, and the tanker, and the fire department saver animals. And here's my ambulance. Here's my fire truck, and fire truck crane, fire truck, and a fire truck that goes to different fires. This is my real other working. This one I bought in 3 weeks ago, and this is my police Hummer. And that's the ambulance, police, ambulance, and
Fire truck.
And here's this. This is my cars that crashed into each other, and these are my fire trucks that are going to it. And here's the other fire, that is the cars that blowed up. This one blowed up, his wheel.
What's your dog's name?
And this is, my dog's name is Fire. And this is my fire department. This is all my fire department. And I got one of these guns from a tree that fell down. And my dad let me put in the car so I could play shooting. And it goes like this. I hope you have a good day.